praying Psalm 119.
In my trouble I cried to the Lord, and he heard me. O Lord, deliver my soul from wicked lips and a deceitful tongue. What shall be given to thee, or what shall be added to thee to a deceitful tongue? The sharp arrows of the mighty with coals that lay waste. Woe is me, that my sojournment is prolonged. I have dwelt with the inhabitants of cedar. My soul hath been long a sojourner. With them that hated peace, I was peaceable. When I spoke to them, they fought against me without cause. This is read out of the Dewey Rings version of the Bible.